Hello, and welcome back to the Enerpac Academy. I'm Teresa Hippis with the Enerpac Commercial Marketing Team. In this first video of a three-part series on how to select an industrial pump, we will look at some key terms to understand when selecting your pump. Pumps are necessary to provide power to most products in the Enerpac portfolio. Selecting the correct pump to fit your application can sometimes be challenging. In this short three-part video series, we will walk you through the pump selection process, making it easier to understand the terms and how to correctly select and size a pump that can best serve your needs. To correctly specify an industrial pump for your application, we should gain an understanding of some key terms used in the pump selection process. Many of these same terms are relevant regardless of the type of pump. For this video series, we will assume the cylinder or tool to be operated will require 10,000 psi or 700 bar to operate to its full capacity. Now, let's discuss some of the common terms used when working with industrial hydraulic pumps. Most industrial pumps have an integrated oil reservoir that has a specific oil capacity. Oil capacity must provide two things for your system to work properly. Firstly, there must be enough oil to support your tool system requirement. This means enough oil to support the tool being operated or all cylinders in the system. Secondly, the oil and reservoir can be used to provide a cooling capacity to the system. This cooling capacity becomes more important for high cycle applications and when the pump and system will be operated in areas of high ambient temperature. The larger the reservoir, the more cooling capacity available, as there is more oil and reservoir area to dissipate heat. For hand pump systems and most small air-operated pump systems, the cooling requirements are far less important. Oil flow is the next important criteria when specifying the correct industrial pump. For hand pumps, oil flow is specified as cubic inches or cubic centimeters per stroke. For power pumps, oil flow is specified by cubic inches or cubic centimeters per minute. There are a few key details to remember when looking at the oil flow rate when specifying a pump. First, the higher the oil flow rate, the faster the tool will operate. Also, the higher the oil flow rate, the higher the input power requirement to operate the pump. So for instance, the higher the oil flow rate, the higher the handle effort will be for a hand pump. The higher the input airflow will be for an air pump, and the higher the electrical power will be for an electric-powered pump. One final topic related to oil flow is two-stage operation. The first stage allows rapid tool speed at low pressures. When a certain pressure is reached, the pump shifts automatically to the second stage. The second stage reduces the flow, allowing the tool to advance more slowly to its full pressure rating. This function provides shorter cycle times by using the available input horsepower more efficiently. Valve type is another term used in pump selection. This is a larger discussion and will be covered in another video series on valve requirements. By using the pump flow and pressure information and your cylinder specifications, you can calculate your system speed and force performance using the pump and cylinder speed charts and formulas found on Enerpac.com or in your Enerpac catalog yellow pages. I hope you found this video on pump terminology useful. In the second episode, we will discuss how to size a pump to specify your application and improve performance. For further information, please visit us at Enerpac.com or reach out to your nearest Enerpac contact for further assistance. I'm Teresa Hippis, and for the Enerpac Academy, thank you for watching.